Okay, so this is the old HUD I created for Project 3, and now I'll show you the new HUD I have created. So this is the new HUD. I changed most of the things about it, and I made the helmet look more realistic. I like this one a lot more than my previous one. So I'll show you the new assets I created. So here we have some bullets. This is the fill image. This is the no fill image. Here's my crosshair. Here is our helmet. This is the bottom or the health bar. And here is it unfilled. Here's the top bar filled and the top bar unfilled. And then this is a visor color that I added later. So now here's our game. I'll go ahead and hit play. This is what we've got. With all my assets on there. So down in the bottom right corner, you can see my bullets. I'll go ahead and reload. Now these bullets are another form of counter where every time I shoot, I lose a bullet. And then until I get down to 0, then I have no more. As you can see by my counter, also in the bottom right. I also added a crouch feature, so I can crouch. That's what this is here for. As you can see, I can't go through it, but I can in fact crouch under it. So, and now this bottom left number is my sprint that I added. Now, in the game, I would not actually have that number there because I didn't really want a number for the sprint. But this is just to showcase that when I run out of sprint, I can no longer sprint. And then it regens a bit, and I can sprint again. Now, I can sprint while it's regenning, but I don't get to sprint for very long. So that's why you want to kind of wait a little bit, and then you can sprint for a little bit longer periods of time. Just 100 is the max amount of time you get to sprint, which is a couple seconds. So, now I'll go ahead and show you my blueprints. I'll show off the HUD first. Things are a little off. I'm still unsure why, but they look good in the game. So, this down here, all it is a progress bar, as you can see. Now, how the background and fill image, the fill image is basically the top portion of it, and the background is the back. So as you can see, when I shoot it down, you get the gray bullets and then like the white bullets, and that is all combined to this function over here I created, and this is that, which went along with my current ammo and ammo. I created an ammo bar variable so that it divides, and so it syncs up. This is the stamina binding I made, and so that goes along with this text, the stamina binding over here. So this number binds with this formula function I made. So now get out of HUD and move on to first person character. So this part down here, this is for the sprinting part. Bunch of stuff. And down here it loops all the way back to this condition, so it's like a little loopy thing, and that's why stuff works. I don't know the things exactly, but the crouching's pretty simple. This part is basically saying when I press my crouch key, When I press it, this happens, and the camera moves down a little bit on the z-axis. And so when it's released, it goes back to normal. And then also, this capsule here, this is talking about the hitbox. So the hitbox will move down, and that's why I can go under things, instead of just the camera moving and my hitbox staying there so I can't go under things. So yeah, that is what I did for this project with my crouching and sprinting function. Thanks for watching.